Hey guys, it's Dino Chucky here, and I'm here with my friend Dino Num-Nums. Today, we're gonna be playing the Mario Adventure game. Let's meet my friends. It's a me, Luigi. Mamma mia, it's a me, Mario. It's a me, the great little monster truck. I'm ready to do this. I'm up first. Let's do this. Alright guys, let's put in the red ball. Here we go. Whoa. Alright, now let's pass this red flower. Woohoo! We made it to the wall. Let's go up. Alright, come on guys, we're almost there. Can we do it? Yes, we made it. Now we gotta get through these ghosts. They're super scary. Come on, we got this. Cause it's a me, Luigi. Alright, we passed Yoshi and we went down. Alright guys, we're almost there. Alright, we're almost there. Oh no! Oh man, we're out. We made it to the Bowser zone. Alright, it's a me, Mario, and I'm next. Whoa, I love the bright yellow background. It looks so cool. Alright, let's go ahead and start. I'm dropping the ball. We're gonna go ahead and start. Alright, let's jump this red flower. We got this. Yes. Oh no! We went automatically down to the Bowser zone and we're out. Alright guys, it's my turn. And I'm gonna make sure I win. Whoa guys, these green slides look like so much fun. Let's go ahead and do this. We're dropping the red ball. Alright, let's go ahead and start. Whoa! Sweet, so now we gotta be very careful. Jump these red flowers. There we go. Alright, we made it to the wall. This is pretty hard, but we have to do this. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here we go. Come on. We got two. Alright, we made it to the top. Can we make it? Alright. Oh no, we actually went back a little bit. But it's okay. We're not gonna give up. We can't give up. Alright, we keep going. Alright. Alright guys, come on, we got this. We gotta keep doing this. When things get hard, we don't give up. Whoa! Whoa guys, I don't know how that happened, but we must have used a cheat code or something, cause we made it to the end and we won. All we have to do now is defeat Koopa. Hiya! Nice job guys, this is why we never give up. Wow guys, that was an easy win. That was so much fun, I can't wait to do it again. Hey! Alright guys, that was it. But before we go, I want to try it too, cause it looked like so much fun. Alright guys, it's my turn, let's do this. Alright, let's go ahead and start this. Woohoo! Alright, let's jump over this red flower. Woohoo! I made it to the wall. Alright, we made it to the first one. Oh no, ooh, be careful. Alright, we gotta keep going. Let's go ahead and jump. Alright, we made it to the second one. Third one, we gotta be careful. Woohoo! Alright, let's go through these ghosts. Whoa, this is so much fun. Alright, let's get past Yoshi. We're going down. Oh, don't worry guys, we're still not out. We gotta make it up. Oh man, we made it to the Bowser zone. Alright guys, that was so much fun. Well, I'll see you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Nom nom. It's a me, Mario. Mario, don't forget, we still have to save the princess. Oh yeah, that's right, let's go. Huh?